Public servants operate everything in our daily lives, from streets to traffic, schools to graduate studies, and courtrooms to capitals. Thus, the field of public administration's analyses allow for the skill and development of public, private, and nonprofit organizations. However, public policy failures, like train derailments and college dropouts, are ubiquitous, so I sought to analyze them through the strongest common element between both public administration and other disciplines. Us, the human element, specifically our communication, through verbal patterns like what we say, paraverbal patterns like how we say it, and nonverbal patterns like where we are in space, time, and social society when we say it. One theory, known as the Communicative Constitution of Organization, or COO, says just that. COO opened the door to both interdisciplinary and integrated applications of different fields. So I did just that. I analyzed the video interviews of several different public servants. I used an interdisciplinary frame, which means that I used neuroscience, psycholinguistics, applied behavioral analysis, and economics theories to create this analysis. The three main variables of interest, verbal, paraverbal, and nonverbal data, were operationalized by over 394 different variables, identified from hybrid, randomized interviews. These interview videos consisted of public servants' open-ended responses, protected by IRB human subject policies. I then used these to analyze over 11,000 verbal data points, as well as 9,000 paraverbal and nonverbal data points. I then used these to develop a model I call the theory of communication, or ToC, as in TikTok. ToC can be used to analyze everything from clinical interviews, psychological interviews, human resource management interviews, business meetings, political speeches, artificial intelligence, and many other human experiences. That's because ToC's main aim is to model how rationality and irrationality are present in all of the human experience. Specifically, ToC models our probabilities of public policy success and failure. While ToC still has to be refined through further applications, ToC is just one example of the many rising collaborations possible through use of the vast array of scientific studies available to the general public. While time is of the essence in the 21st century, together we can build the tools we need to face every opportunity. Thank you for your time, energy, and consideration.